going on, everybody? It's your boy Pierre, man, and I'm back with another one, man. Today we headed out to the racetrack out in Kalamazoo. Fortunately, it's about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours drive by myself, but we got to get that footage, man. Y'all know how we do it. So we about to get ready to hit the road, and I'm gonna get back with y'all out there. And another thing, unfortunately, my wife didn't make it today. My son, he had a football game today, so it was like, you know, so I was able to escape to head to the track. She's gonna stay back and go to the kids' game, and that's how we gonna work that one out today. But yeah, we get back with y'all when we get to the track, baby. We almost here, y'all. We almost here. But I had to just give y'all a little pull before we got there. We out here in Mexico. Good Mexico run. I wish I had more room. We'd have pushed it all the way. I had to slow it down, you know how that go. But just wanted to show y'all that. But we almost there, about 5-10 more minutes. I gotta stop at the gas station, and what I forgot to bring some cash. So gotta hit an ATM. I'm gonna try to hit a bank, but if I don't find one, I'm gonna just have to pay that little $2 to get it off the ATM, which I really hate doing. But oh well, it's too late, you know. We already here. So I know next time to remember. But get back with y'all when we get here. And then just got inside the track, man. Check out this baby. Good. I definitely got to see this go down. Shoot. Beauty. Hey, man, there's a lot of Mustangs out here. That's one thing I do see. And I'd love to have that truck. Everybody getting their eyes together, sitting back. It's one thing about the track, man. It's a lot of sitting around and waiting. But I'm ready to see some action, baby. That good action. But when I walked in, somebody hit the track, which I showed y'all that, but I didn't even get to see it happen. That's what I'm mad about. I want to see it happen. I'll get back with y'all when they start. Give y'all a couple hits down the track. Peace. Man, P coming out. Yeah. What's going on?
Need to go line up and see what's happening with this shootout.
All right, I got you. That bad baby run, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm definitely gonna show y'all. Y'all gotta get that footage. Check this bad baby out. Man, it's about to get real. What's going on? It's about to get real out here. Just to let y'all know, man, it's a lot of power out here. It's a lot. Just can't wait till they start, man. Get y'all some footage. We about to get it, though. I told y'all I do this for y'all, man. I'm coming to get this footage for y'all. So stay tuned. We out here. Who's taking it down? We taking this one down? Taking it down?
Yeah.
Huh?
We got a surveyor right there on our team called Made Man. Once you go take a look at that.
Yeah, I just looked at it, that black one up there. That bad baby. I gotta see that one. I definitely gotta see that one. I like them joints. Okay, I hear some action over there. I'm about to head over there on the track. Bad baby, a monster, man. Made man. Woo. Gotta see Hood Rat run too. It's another good one. Hood Rat. made us move behind the fence, man. They don't want us up there. But y'all know how that go. I'm pull my big camera out and get on out there. Some way, somehow. Just stay tuned.
I think he's still in. Oh, you don't talk about Ryan.
Who driving? Who driving?
Oh, what's up?
Who driving it?
What's up?
Who driving it? You driving? You ready?
I'm ready.
You ain't no rookie, is you?
I stay ready.
All right, we gonna see. We definitely gonna see. This man looking good. Let's see what it do. Hey man, we gotta get us a car, man.
Yeah, I should have black hole. I don't want it. I just come out with my buddies.
Man, we gotta get us a car, man. We gotta run it
Yeah, I
down.
just come out with my buddies. I don't got.
man.
Listen, I ain't got that long money like them.
Oh man.
I ain't got that long
It's
money
called a
like
project, man. You take your time with it.
them.
We bring it out in 2025 or something. You know?
Bring it out 2025 and then break on the first
Bring it
pass.
back in 2026. Yeah. Hey, a lot of them been broke down and had to come back.
I'm gonna find me something else to do with mine.
Everybody. That's why it's called Test and Tune. Out there, man.
Man, the nitrous didn't come on. The turbo switch was bent.
My mans ain't want to run with you.
I don't know. We gonna find out.
You went down?
No, I ain't getting
Oh, I was about to say I ain't see you. I'm like, where you at? waiting on them to get started, man. I'm trying to bet some money, man. Use some dollars out here. I'm trying to make some dollars, if you know what I mean. So far, so good. Races should be starting pretty soon. They say at 6 o'clock, but you never know at the track. They got to keep prepping and, you know, all that good stuff. But, hey, we just got to wait and see. Somebody got their hood on. Yeah, I did. Woo.
My name is That's a big bitch right there.
God. Woo. It's going down?
Yeah, well, no, I think we're just gonna make a test pass. We ain't racing nobody yet.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta see this one. Man. Shoot. One day I have enough money to build me something like this. One day. Right now we're gonna stay in Blue Magic. No. But boy, oh boy, some shit out here.
All right, you got it. You got it.
Bad boy right here. Look like a regular car. I don't even look like a little classic car. A little cruise. We'll see. We will see. That guy.
Drivers out of the truck.
I don't know what he doing. No.
Hey, look.
That's
Take
like
them
bringing a
knives
knife
to
to a
that bitch and
gunfight.
close his eyes and turn the knob. Hope he go down. Just say, please.
Bringing a knife to a gunfight.
Hey, nobody don't race on fucking motor no more.
Yeah, man, we're going deep. Side piece.
We love that fun with the small block. So what I'm saying, I'm gonna big man, those people ain't got We got a motherfucking Regal over there that's joining Young Money. Jeff Regal, that great one.
He got action today too. He got action today too.
Damn right.
He got action today too.
Uh-oh.
He got action today too.
Don't he look like you?
Hey, cut. Petey said he got 100 on down. What you want to do?
Ride or die.
Huh? Petey said he got 100 on down. What you want to do?
Nothing.
Where Petey at? Where Petey at? On the internet. I don't know what that means.
That ain't good enough, huh?
Hell no, he gotta be here.
He got to put 50 on that 100 to bet online.
He gotta be here in person.
Oh, okay.
What's going on?
I got my goggles because I'm going straight up to Brandon Ave. That's right, goggles.
Make sure y'all get this motherfucker recorded.
Who you see throwing all the blows? Tell the real. Junkyard. Junkyard was. He threw 10 blows. I kept rewinding. Junkyard threw 10 blows, man. And then that tall black guy that be with him, he came over there. He threw some blows too. Tell you, Junior hit the ground. I'm telling you, Junior. You still got a hole in your pants. Look at that, these pants. He left you that Junior with you. I mean, Junkyard said, always. He's right in the middle, fucking throwing. Hey, all you see was Junkyard throw about 5 blows. He took one. Foul. Junkyard was still throwing haymakers. Junkyard took one. He took it off. Yeah. That was a funny ass fight though. You gotta have it on DVD. You gotta record it. You gotta rewind it, man. You gotta rewind it. It is so funny.
That motherfucker always get line, guaranteed.
Junior, hey, they was about to win.
You know why? Just because Johnny Wood ended up.
Alarm off around this.
Got me a bitch.
Yeah.
Brandon, you next, nigga.
Yeah.
And you got one up here. I don't know what's what. You got something up here?
You know about a 9-inch